myself Mahi Deol. Arey. No, not related to Sunny or Bobby Deol ji. But I wish I was जी. मैं तो फटाका हूँ ही, लेकिन बड़ी टैलेंटेड भी हूँ. पता है? मुझे ना डांसर बनना है. But you know, woman proposes ना, वाहेगुरु जी disposes. अभी मैंने की पता था कि ये डांसर बनने के चक्कर में I really don't know.
You will bump into me. Hi, I'm Sahil. Architect by profession. Fit. Funky. और सिमोना जज की. अब ये देखना है कि किस्मत माही और मुझे मिलवाएगी या नहीं.
ओए, मैं पंजाबी, तू परदेसी. We have nothing in common जी. फिर किस्मत हमें क्यों मिलवाएगी?
देखो, मुझे लगता है मिलवाएगी.
You know something? Even when man proposes ना, वाहेगुरु जी disposes. मैं तो चली. Me going now, okay? Bye जी. Get out.
पर जब मैं प्रपोज करूंगा ना,
Get out.
बाकी आप
Out.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. मेरा नाम अशोक सक्सेना है. सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. ये सारी दुनिया मेरे जेब में है. आई कंट्रोल द एंटायर यूनिवर्स. वेल, शायद ज्यादा बोल गया हूं. आई कंट्रोल ऑलमोस्ट हाफ द वर्ल्ड. सिर्फ मेरी बिगड़ी बेटी सोनिया, वो मेरे काबू में नहीं आती है. अगर आप लोगों के पास कोई सुझाव है तो आप लोग मुझे आज ही दे दीजिए. आपका भी भला होगा और मेरा भी कल्याण होगा. नहीं तो आपको इंतजार करना होगा देसी मैजिक की रिलीज तक वेट करने का. तो अगर किसी को सुझाव है तो प्लीज आज शाम को मुझे जरूर बता दीजिए कि मैं सोनिया को अपने काबू में कैसे लाऊं. ठीक है? जब सोच के बताइए, फिर मैं वापस आ रहा हूं. थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. थैंक यू.
My name is Off, David Off. ऊपर वाला तुम सब लोग की लाइफ को ऑन करता है और डेविड ऑफ उसको ऑफ करता है. Shut up, बदतमीज इंसान. Whenever you call me off, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपनी ब्रा नहीं पहनूं.
प्राची, मैं आपको बड़े का दर्जा दे रहा हूं और आप ऐसा कह रहे हो. मेरा नाम है कीमती सिंह और मैं बहुत बड़ी के सिंह यानी कुत्ती कमीनी चीज और मैं सेक्सी भी.
Oh, shut up, you sexy and nonsense. ये बता कि हमारा काम हुआ कि नहीं?
नहीं हुआ.
क्यों?
मैं पजल सॉल्व करने में बिजी हो गया.
पजल?
वो क्या है कि मुझे सलमान ने 12 अंडे दिए और 12 में से मैंने 8 अंडे आमिर को दिए और आमिर ने मुझे 6 अंडे वापस किए. 6 में से मैंने 4 अंडे शाहरुख को दिए और शाहरुख.
सबके अंडे की छोड़, अगर मेरा काम नहीं हुआ तो तेरे अंडे ना हाफ फ्राई कर दी. क्योंकि जली को आग कहते हैं, बुझी को राख कहते हैं और उस राख से बने बारूद को डेविड ऑफ कहते हैं. चलो, इस कहीं का सुधरेगा नहीं. तू बात यहां बिल्कुल.
सोनिया पागल है, वाइल्ड है, अरे हद से पूरी बिगड़ी हुई है यार। देखा, लेकिन क्या करूं, आई जस्ट लव हर, जैसी भी है कैसी भी है, आई जस्ट लव हर मैन, शी इज कूल। आई नो आप सब सोनिया से मिले नहीं हो, but don't worry guys,
Hi.
the wait is over.
I'm Sonia
Okay.
Saxena. I'm rich, I'm gorgeous, and I'm a fabulous bitch. और अगर आपको लगता है you've seen the ultimate bitch, then you ain't seen nothing yet. आप लोग मुझे जब मिलोगे तो आपके होश उड़ जाएं।
अब आप ही सब बताइए, इज इट माई फॉल्ट कि मैं इससे प्यार करता हूँ? हाँ,
मैं क्या करूं, मेरा मैजिक ही कुछ ऐसा है।
पर कौन किसे मिलेगा? बोलो। हाँ भाई हाँ, कौन किसे मिलेगा? मिस्टर आर्किटेक्ट, ये तो पता ही चलेगा कि सोनिया साहिल के साथ है, या साहिल माही के साथ है, या माही मेरे साथ है, या सोनिया।
You know what? Sonia doesn't mind both ways.
ओए, देसी मैजिक दिस विंटर
2013.
and do some photo ops with it.
Good evening, everybody. I'd like to thank everyone, especially my press, for being here at such a beautiful occasion. The first production from Amisha Patel Productions, Desi Magic, and I really do hope that it creates magic in this winter. I want to thank all my friends, all the family members who are here to support us. And of course, I must introduce you all to the special people who made this possible. First and foremost, I'd like the chief guest of today, Abbas Mastanji, to come on stage, please. Well,
Amisha, just like to say one line, and this is from my heart. Years back, there was this girl who was studying in Tufts University at one time, trying to get number one, get 90%, 95%. She had no clue that there's this one boy at the same time sitting in Chandan Cinema, watching the same film again and again, again and again. Because for me, Bollywood was my life. So I'm very glad that we both combined together and create Amisha Patel Productions. A little bit of our education, a little bit of my filmigiri makes Desi Magic what it is. Thank you.
And now I've just been told that my very, very special directors, who I had a hit film in Hamraz and now recently raced to, Abbas Mustanji, have just arrived. So please welcome them on stage. Hussain Bhai, are you here as well? Hussain Bhai, if you're here, please come. This is really one proud moment for APP. I have the people that I love the most present and the most wonderful star cast, the most wonderful technical team, so thank you very much. I would like request my chief guest to please pop the bottle of champagne. Sahil, come. They just make very stylish films, but they're very cute and simple. No, I'm not getting to it.
Guma, anyone, and Rajat to please come on stage for a Q&A session.
Hi, congratulations, amazing episode it was.
Thank you.
Tell us how excited, no, you look quite nervous, are you?
I'm not nervous. I'm actually excited. There's been a lot of hard work that has gone into, coming till this point. It's been a journey of a year and a half. So yes, and I've got such an amazing star cast. that they've made this journey worth every minute of that.
Right. Tell us what made you take so long to lock on script. Tell us how the experience on casting all of them, and being a producer, how was the experience?
Actually, we locked on the script. In a year, we had the idea, the seed, like I said, was Kunal's. And this question, actually, I think Kunal and Sanjay and Amit should answer because this is their baby. I'll just pass the mic.
You can ask him the question.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah, tell us how did the Starcast come on board, and how's the whole experience?
I think it was very simple. First, we wrote a script, and then based on what the need of the character was, we sat, we had a discussion on who would suit the character, and we went to people and said, asked them whether they would do the role. And I think everyone here loved the script, and everyone was happy and glad to do it. But I think we should mention that this man had the idea to start with. He got it all started, for sure.
Hi, Amisha, Zayed and Sahil. The film is titled Desi Magic. Could you tell us one each Desi character about you that's absolutely magical according to you?
I'm going to make this brief, because we don't want to let out too much from the bag. I think the Desi magic part of it is the fact that, one of Amisha's characters who brings about a lovely change in way things go or the way things unfold. And I think what the idea is when you say Desi, we are emotionally attached to, Desi pan, Desiness, whichever part of the world we are in. The minute we, encounter our culture or our food or, wherever we are, say we're in Austria and we get a nice butter chicken with butter dal and naan, we tend to appreciate it a hell of a lot more. So I think the Desi magic bit is the Desi element that always keeps us real, keeps us Indian, keeps us proud, and something that always sort of elevates us in our mood, our spirit. I think that's the connotation of Desi magic.
Amisha, also want to know from you, since it's your debut production venture, anyone particularly from Bollywood that you'd want to show this film to?
Anyone?
Anyone particular, any actor from Bollywood that you'd want
I want to show it to them all, and I want to show them what a woman's name can do in this industry more than anything. Why would I want to only show it to one actor? The whole industry should see it.
Amisha, a lot of people say, and a lot of actresses even agree that it's a man's world, it's a man's industry. You're out to change that. Tell us what your plan of action is.
Well, it is a man's industry, it is a man's world. I won't deny that, and that's why I have a man with me. He's called Kunal Goma.
I'd met you a long time back, and I'd see a huge evolution. Would you describe it in your own words and yourself?
As a person?
As an actress, as a producer now?
Well, I think everyone goes through phases in life.
Yeah.
And change is the only constant. And if you don't change, if you don't keep up with times, if you don't try and bring about newness, then you become stagnant, especially as an actor. And I'm glad that finally, when I entered the industry, the one question everyone asked me is, Amisha, you're so highly educated. You're Rajni Patel's granddaughter. Why would you be here? As if people who are brainless are in this industry. It was so insulting. But I'm glad today that answers their question that, a woman with brains and intelligence can actually dance around trees too and make a difference.
Right. And what is the one significant change in you in 2013, beyond being a producer? Because I knew you'd say that.
Everything. I think the most significant change was actually for me Desi Magic and everyone who's involved with it. They are my change and they are going to make the change.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Amisha, you want to describe your look today for us? Because, we sort of, at least to me in my head, I always picture Amisha as the cute, bubbly girl next door. But today I don't see a sign of that anywhere.
Thank God, that means Sonia's character succeeded. Well, it's a double role, so you did see the cute, bubbly Mahi. And that's the Amisha I think everyone expects. But the heart of this film is the character of Sonia more than Mahi as well. And I'm glad that in the first viewing itself, you could see that impact. It had to be diametrically opposite. She's spoilt. Her father has a lot of money. And she shops, she drinks, she flirts, she has men. Like I said, in the end, both of them will do. And she's a complete wild child. So I think that's what this character is. So I'm glad it was impactful.
What's your aim with this film? Do you want critical acclaim? Or do
No
you want
way. I
100
want the
crores?
cash registers to be ringing, dude.
कि हमने अभी पिछले कुछ दिनों में हर फिल्म के लॉन्च पे फर्स्ट लुक पर सलमान और शाहरुख को लेकर कॉमिक करते हुए लोगों को देखा, और आज यहीं पर भी हमने वही सब कुछ देखा। शुरुआत में सलमान और शाहरुख को लेकर एक छोटा सा कॉमिक किया रवि सर ने और उनके पार्टनर ने। तो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि आपको लगता है कि इनका नाम यूज़ करना कितना हद तक सही है? आपको लगता है कि इससे हाइप मिलते है फिल्म को?
नहीं, हम सिर्फ अपनी फर्स्ट लुक लोगों को दिखाना चाह रहे थे कि देसी मैजिक इस तरह की फिल्म है, ताकि जब आप हमसे सवाल करें तो आपको कम सवालें करने पड़े, क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी स्क्रिप्ट देख चुके हो। और ये एक अलग तरीका था हमारी फिल्म को लॉन्च करने का, हमारी फिल्म को पेश करने का। और बस हमने किया, हम किसी की ना तो नकल कर रहे थे ना किसी को टॉन्ट कर रहे थे, ये हमारा सिर्फ एक एंटरटेनमेंट था एंड दिस वाज आवर लॉन्च, बस और कुछ नहीं।
थैंक यू।
देसी मैजिक जैसे कि टाइटल बता रहा है, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि अगर आपको मैजिक से कुछ चेंज करने का मौका मिले तो वो क्या चीज़ होगी जिस पर आप अपना मैजिक चलाना चाहेंगी और वो क्यों?
जिस साल जिस महीने में देसी मैजिक रिलीज होगी, मैं चाहूंगी कि उस महीने में कोई और फिल्म नहीं रिलीज हो, ताकि लोग को पसंद आए ना आए, हमारी फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी।
थैंक यू।
Congratulations for your first, like it's wonderful. I hope कि फिल्म सक्सेस हो। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि every big budget film has item song and आप भी कुछ अपने फिल्म में कुछ क्लब करेंगे, ऐसे कुछ देखने मिलेगा आइटम सॉन्ग? और यू थिंक कि आइटम सॉन्ग इज नीडेड योर फिल्म?
माही एक आइटम खुद है, फटाका है, सोनिया भी फटाका है, तो जाहिर सी बात है जो कुछ भी हम लोग तीनों करेंगे विद द 2 hunky men, फटाकेदार ही होगा। और वैसे भी हमारे पास 1 2 3 है, so we've got all the items there possible.
Okay, तो it means जो भी आइटम होगा आप तीनों मिलके करेंगे. Do you need any big star or any other members?
All the big stars that you're seeing are sitting in front of you here. We don't need anyone
And what's
else.
your take on item song? You think कि success में easy होता है, film की is important?
At the end of the day, the winner is the subject. Content is the king. No hero, no heroine. Nothing can make a film work if your film lacks the content.
Thanks.
I mean, you are considered to be one of the most intellectual and highly educated in the industry. So how did you use your intellect and your education in forming this production house?
Well, I actually didn't use it. My partner Kunal Guma forced me to start this production company and said, please use it now. And he's the brains behind it. I'm just the educated one with the degree on my desk. That's all.
या कुणाल, अमीशा प्रोड्यूसर बन गई है, एक्टर भी है फिल्म में। आपने एक्टर बनने का कुछ सोचा नहीं इस फिल्म में?
Director? No, not at all. It's my first film as a producer. I've lived this script for almost a year now. A long way to go to even do that. I would love to do that, but right now Mr. Mayol is going to be doing that. As an actor? No. I asked Sahil that, there's a scene where he's in the beach, where he's showing his tattoo and his entire body there with 4 friends. So maybe I could just stand one of those moments where I'm just standing as one of his friends there, but not as an actor. I'm loving my place as a producer. So that's it.
What kind of boss is Amisha Patel?
What kind of boss? Sahil, why don't you go for that one, man?
I think they have a long-lasting friendship. I can answer that question a lot better because I've known Amisha for a while now. She's, it's the show Horrible Bosses. She's not one of them, right? She's a cool boss. She's actually like she manipulates herself into every role. She helps you. She's fun. At the same time, she's like a party person, but without minus the partying. So she's like, she's like how I'm talking to you. Yeah, the same question. And answer.
I think creatively, whenever you are involved in a creative industry, I don't think you really like have labels of boss and stuff like that. I think it's a total effort. It's a wholesome effort from everybody. But having said that, she can be very bossy.
Yeah, she will kick my ass for sure if I don't deliver.
And I don't mind getting my ass kicked by this gorgeous little girl. I'll just be like, ouch.
I won't kick their asses. They're too hot. I'll just spank them.
अमीशा, व्यापार के दौरान प्यार की खबरें तो खूब आई थी आपकी और कुणाल की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है इस खबर में?
I think we're here to talk about our film. आपका ये वाहियात सवाल ना तो मैं आंसर करूंगी, ना मैं आपको कुछ और सवाल करने दूंगी. So next question please.
मेरा सवाल रवि किशन जी से है. रवि जी, आपका किरदार को देख के काफ़ी हद तक हमें हम तुम के जावेद जाफरी की याद आती है, बिकॉज वो भी काफ़ी इसी तरीके से बात करते थे. तो कितना अलग होगा ये किरदार आपका जो आप निभा रहे हैं?
नहीं ऐसा कोई कैरिकेचर और ना, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कॉपी एनीबॉडी। आप लोग जैसा जानते हैं मेरी यात्रा, मिस्टर मणिरत्नम टू मिस्टर श्याम बेनेगल टू मेरी खुद की एक आइडेंटिटी। तो यहाँ पर भी कोशिश, बिकॉज हमेशा एक पुरानी दोस्त, मेरे नाटक के समय की दोस्त, उन्होंने अगर मुझे कॉल किया है तो डेफिनेटली ये उम्मीद करके कि रवि इसमें कुछ करेंगे जरूर। सो मैं पूरी कोशिश ये रहेगी कि कहीं किसी की छाप या किसी की नहीं, एक अपनी पहचान, एक डेविडॉफ एक बहुत ही अहम किरदार है जो इस सिनेमा को एक अलग रूप देता है, इसका उसकी एंट्री एक अलग है। तो ये सिनेमा के हर किरदार बहुत अहम है। एक सिनेमा कोई लाइटर कॉमेडी नहीं, एक सिनेमा में बहुत सारा इमोशंस हैं, लॉट ऑफ थिंग जो आप लोगों ने देखा। तो डेविडॉफ भी एक अहम किरदार है जो कहानी का एक बहुत हिस्सा है। कहीं कॉपी करके इसको एक छिछोरी कॉमेडी या एक छिछोरा सिनेमा, एक चलो भाई खाली शुक्रवार को देख के आप भूल जाएं फ्राइडे को, नो, दिस इज वेरी इंटेंस सिनेमा, लेट मी टेल यू गाइज, बिकॉज वॉट एवर यू सॉ उससे कहीं हल्का एक लाइटरपन आता है, बट सिनेमा कुछ और है। चूंकि स्क्रिप्ट हम सुन चुके हैं, सो मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि बड़े ईमानदारी से इसको निभाएं, और जैसे हमेशा हम लोग एंटरटेन करते हैं इतने सालों से, इसमें भी हम लोग कामयाब रहे। एंड हमेशा के लिए आप लोग सब लोग दुआएं करिए कि एक लेडी, एक लड़की होके, एक हीरोइन होके इतने गट्स के साथ ही आप लोगों के सामने आई है, एंड शी इज डूइंग इट राइट। और कास्टिंग देख के समझ में आ रहा हो कि कितना सोच के लोगों ने ये सिनेमा प्लान किया है। सो मेरी कोशिश है कि आई विल नॉट कॉपी इट।
Amisha, yeah, you know, you're known to be someone who goes out of her way for her friends, and you know, you're always sort of there for them. What do you have to say about the judgment that's been passed on Mr. Sanjay Dutt, known your close association with him?
Obviously, we all feel bad for him. I think we all share the same sentiments. He's part of our film fraternity, and we wish it could be reversed and some sort of miracle saves him. More than that, I don't think it would be invading on his privacy to speak more on that. दोनों, क्योंकि एज एन एक्टर मुझे 10 साल हो गए हैं, एज ए प्रोड्यूसर ये मेरा दूसरा साल है और शुरुआत अभी हो रही है। बट मेरे पार्टनर कुणाल जी इतने अच्छे हैं कि मुझे हर प्रोडक्शन की चीज़ में घुसने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। सो आई एम अलाउड टू बी द एक्टर व्हेन ही टेक्स ओवर द ब्रेन्स एंड यू नो कीपिंग एट द कंपनी अफ्लोट। Thank you guys, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Zaid, we have been watching you in a different characters. Basically, you have done the roles of a metrosexual urban man. So what kind of character you are playing in this magic? What kind of magic we are just going to see on the screen?
Well, I like to believe that I'm still metrosexual and I'm still sexy and I'm still urban. So having said that, I think this film is, it's a film that's based on a very like upbeat, cool, kind of urban centric and, pan-India, international. So I think it's catering to a wide spectrum of audience, this film. I have to say, it's never easy for, to be first-time producers, Amisha and Kunal. I've worn that hat. It's not easy at all. But I can tell you that they've been doing a fabulous job. I have been in the company of people I feel have been veterans, being producers of this film. And as you can see, it's the kind of film that, is very, very hardcore Indian at its heart, but it has a great international sensibility. I think those are the kind of movies that most people are used to watching. I've been very fortunate to have a great crew. I think, with Sanjay, Aseem, Kunal, and cast as Sahil and Ravi and all these guys put together. It's such and of course Randhir ji, who brings so much energy to the set, and all the stories that I can't really tell you guys right now. But I think altogether it's a total package of a film. It's an entertaining film. It's the kind of metrosexual feeling we want everybody to come in with, and hopefully they find a good view and a good watch. So thanks. Yeah.
Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
अमीशा, सबसे पहले तो यही पूछना चाहेंगे, फिल्म का नाम है देसी मैजिक
जी,
पर सभी लोग यहाँ पे विदेशी मैजिक दिख रहे हैं. So I just wanted to know what is all about the देसी मैजिक.
वेल फिल्म को अभी रिलीज होने में काफ़ी वक्त है, तो जैसे आप प्रोमोज देखोगे टेलीविजन पे, अप्रैल में आ जाएंगे, आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा पता चलेगा कि देसी मैजिक का क्या राज है. अभी तो हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते. आई एम सॉरी.
थैंक यू.
What's right with them actually right now?
I can tell you whatever's wrong with them, at least it looks stylish. So
I fell down shooting for Desi Magic with Ravi ji on the set 3 weeks ago at the end of our schedule at 7:30 in the morning, and I tumbled off stairs and we were doing this action thing, and the action person in front of me, the fighter, got distracted as soon as I came and tripped me, and I had tables and chairs fall all on me. So that was what happened, and my bone got swollen and my bone got twisted, and I'm recouping still. And I don't know what Zaid's been up to.
I fell down looking at this beautiful girl falling. I said, I have to go save her. Like a true Bollywood actor, and I also got hurt. So that's the true nature of the story. But please don't miss the pink bandage that Amisha has. I really love that. I really love that look. At least
Everyone's been asking me,
made
is
it
it a
look cool.
fashion statement? And I said, I went to the doctor and I said, Doc, if I've got to look bad, I might as well do it well. You've got to have an injury, do it in style. Don't give me, nude colored bandages. And she's like, actually, you're asking me for colors. I said, see, if you're going to put nude, I'm going to paint them over. So you might as well put what colors I want. So they're in the theme of Desi Magic, actually.
रवि, talking to you. Yeah. आपने बहुत सारे देसी बॉयज का रोल किया है, इसमें किस तरह का रोल करे, और अमीशा फर्स्ट टाइम प्रोड्यूसिंग कर रहा, तो किस तरह के ऑन सेट था वो?
अमीशा के साथ हम वे बैक जाते हैं 16 ईयर बैक, जहाँ पे एक प्ले किया था हमने, नाटक किया था नीलाम. सो वो एक दोस्ती रही हम लोगों की, वहाँ से कोई मिल गया के पहले, और तो फिर एक दोस्त ने बुलाया कि आइए, एक अद्भुत सा रोल है, एंड इट्स रोल एक्चुअली जो कहा था वही था, एक अद्भुत सा रोल था. आई एम प्लेइंग एक ऐसा रोल जो कभी नहीं किया मैंने, तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. और इसका नाम है डेविड ऑफ. इनके साथ इनसे प्रेम करने लगता है, इनसे शादी करना चाहता है, इसका अंदाज अलग है. और फिरोज साहब की याद आएगी, बहुत सारी चीजों की याद आएगी. ये बहुत ही आनंद देगा. ये एक कंप्लीट मसाला, जैसे कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स आप देख रहे हैं, तो फुल ऑन पैसा वसूल फिल्म, अद्भुत संगीत, फोटोग्राफी, अमीशा पूरी जान लगाए हैं, कुणाल ने पूरा. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि एक अच्छे सिनेमा के साथ हम जुड़े. यहाँ पे सारे बड़े दिग्गज कलाकार हैं, गुड कास्ट एंड क्रू, और बड़ी ईमानदारी से अमीशा आत्मा से जुड़ी हुई है और अमीशा के लिए बहुत एक अच्छा सिनेमा हम सब लोगों के लिए. सो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है ये सिनेमा करके.
Amisha, lastly, you know, like acting करना और producing करना, it's different job. But according to you, which is the top side, acting या producing?
Definitely producing. It's almost like committing suicide, but I love it. It's when you have a partner like Kunal, he lets you focus being the actress also, and that's the pleasure of it. And this is my toughest film. Kunal has chosen the toughest role. This vision of the film is completely his. Every event that you see, every idea that's unique, even in the film, his sense of music, it's all him. And he had the concept of a double role, and he's given me the toughest film of my career. So, but I'm enjoying the challenge completely.
जाहिद सर, आपके लिए आपने पहले भी प्रोड्यूस कर चुके आपके होम प्रोडक्शन जैसे कि लव ब्रेकअप जिंदगी, तो हाउ डू यू फील लाइक एज एन एक्टर, एज एन प्रोड्यूसर फॉर यू?
वेल मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि प्रोड्यूसर बनना और मुश्किल है. ये बात बहुत ही मतलब कहने की बात नहीं कि बट एक्टिंग इज ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ जॉय, इट्स अ क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस. प्रोडक्शन is a decision making process. It's a process where you have to make some very tough decisions all the time. Not everybody are going to be your friends, but at the end of the day, if you as a producer complete the task that is ahead of you and complete the movie that you promised everybody, then whatever has happened throughout is just goes under the carpet, because everybody realizes that, you know, making a good film takes a lot of sweat, a lot of blood. And as you can see, we have some great producers out there like Ramesh ji, Ratan ji, who know exactly what we are talking about. And sometimes
We've also probably troubled at some point in our career.
and we've troubled
also.
a lot all the time, and they've always put a smile on their faces. And today I think we all know what they go through. So thank you for being here and giving us your blessings. But nevertheless, I have to say that working with Amisha and Kunal has been working like any A-grade production that I've worked on. They've never let me feel that you know, there's anything left behind or any idea or any kind of sweat of blood put into you know, not put into the effort of making a grand A-grade project like this. So I really wish them the best of luck. It's not easy for Kunal as well, you know, and the fact that he's going through troubled times and still making this happen shows the kind of man he is. So good luck to you, man. I wish your father well, and I hope he recovers and very soon. And I also want to thank Mehul Atta, who's the director of our film. He's a guy who's very silent and doesn't say much, but he really
Always smiles.
he really takes a lot of load on himself. He manages to massage all our egos and still make it all work for us. And I'll tell you that that's a great quality in a director. And there are very many people on this team that have been fantastic. You know, whether it's the DOP Sanjay and Asim, whether it's the writer Amit Shah. You know, all these guys. I mean, I've had a great time working with even Sahil. I mean, Sahil here, this young-blooded guy out here. I think he's going to be the next dude, the next metrosexual, you know, urban cool dude, because he really has put in a great effort and he's left no stone unturned. So yeah, all in all, it's a great team to work with. Yeah, you know, at the end of the day, when we make movies, we make it to you know, entertain you guys, have fun while making it. And you know, I think so far so good. So I'm just going to cross my fingers and not jinx it anymore.
I actually have something. It was about 5 years ago. We were in Delhi, and Sahil, of course, has been India's top models, and he was the it thing, and all the women were crazy about him. And we were walking the ramp together, and so there was a section where there were other celebrities, and the models were separate. And I had all my friends, married girlfriends in Delhi. And they're like, oh my God, there's Sahil Shroff. And I'm like, yeah, so? You know, that was my attitude. He's like, Amisha, you're single. We've got husbands. Go. I haven't told you this. And I was like, I don't chase boys. Boys chase me. You know? And the girls were like, Amisha, you got to get real. This is the 21st century. Just go after him. And they hated me that evening because I wasted my chance to go after you. And today they're also happy and jealous that I have two hot hunks with me, and and Ravi ji. But so that was a little anecdote that I hadn't shared with you, Sahil.
Sahil, could you tell us about your role in the film?
Obviously metrosexual, as you figured. Just a fun guy. Basically क्या होता है कि all Indians that are the new modern Indian boy Okay, he likes to have fun. He likes to meet new girls, but he does not forget his morals. So I am a good impersonation of that, like a good mirror of a good Indian boy who likes having his fun, but at the same time is very desi. So.
मैं पोस्टर में नहीं नजर आऊं, लेकिन सिनेमा में आपको मैं बहुत प्यारे से बहुत कड़क नजर आऊंगा.
Thank you so much. I must say that we have a magical evening that has been planned for you. Cocktails and dinner are on. Thank you so much to the cast for the Q&A. Thank you, media, for joining us here. And let's get this party started. We have a magical evening planned for all of you all. Please join us for cocktails and dinner. I invite a very gorgeous person right here. I'd like to tell you that Ranveer ji is stuck in a bit of traffic. He's going to be joining us in a bit. But for now, I have the privilege of welcoming the absolutely gorgeous Amisha Patel. Could I please request you to say a few words to this gathering today?
Good evening, everybody, and thank you so much for being part of Desi Magic, the small little glimpse of it once again. And of course, on such a special occasion as Valentine's, I hope you'll have a very Desi magical evening filled with love. I want to thank all the technicians, the entire creative team in the audience, all the friends, all my special members from the film industry, and of course, our lovely cast and my director who's here. I could say a lot about each and every one today, but I don't think that's a proper time because we've got a long way still. We have the music release, we have the premiere of the film, lots of promotions, so I'm going to bore you all quite a lot at that time. Today I just want to say something really special, and I know Kunal is going to kill me for this. As usual, he's asked me not to give him the mic. Today being Valentine's, I listened to him and I won't let him speak. But I just want to say, today is Valentine's. I could not have asked for a better friend, a best friend, and a super duper business partner in Kunal. I know that Kunal wishes that his parents were here. This occasion, this event nearly got cancelled. We had announced it in the newspapers 3 weeks ago. We had planned for it a month in advance. And 2 weeks ago, Kunal's father was diagnosed with a serious heart condition and had to go for a bypass surgery, which was very, very critical. The past 15 days have been spent between the hospital and the office and trying this event to get it together. Kunal has been my pillar of strength throughout my life, or at least for the past 10 years, for sure. And I'm not used to wiping his tears. He's used to wiping mine, and trust me, I cry a lot and need a lot of wiping. But this time, I actually saw Kunal shake in the hospital and cry. And through those tears, I just kept telling Kunal one thing. I said, Kunal, we have to cancel the 14th event. And he said, no, Amisha, we're not going to. I said, but just do it the normal way. Have the posters in the newspapers like every normal producer does. And he said, Amisha, does Amisha Patel Productions do anything in the normal way? We're not going to do this the normal way. And I said, but Kunal, these are extraordinary circumstances. And he said, that's why I want it to be an extraordinary evening. Please leave it to God and your grandmother and let them bless us and hope that we can make it to the event. Because things in APP don't get cancelled, they may get delayed. And all I could do was wipe my own tears and wipe Kunal's and say, you know, hats off to you, Kunal. And I think I agree with everyone here when I say that Kunal is the cement that binds APP together, the positive energy that keeps everyone going when things get tough. And trust me, being young producers is not easy. And I know he's got tears in his eyes right now. And God's really going to bless you, Kunal.
bring the mic? Okay, thank you. Good evening, everybody. It's a privilege to be here today this evening. As you all know that I launched Amisha in Kaho Na Pyar Hai. And today she gave me the honor to unveil her new project. And I wish Amisha, Kunal, the whole team, all the actors, the technicians, a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh sir. We also have a champagne that we'd like you to uncork. So can I please request you to do so? I'd like to wish him a very, very happy birthday in Ego.
Let's sing for him.
Yes, we have a surprise song for him right here.